Firstly, many thanks to the technocrats, consultants, architects, designers who have poured a lot of knowledge, but they exactly need us to construct the building. That's why we want to come. Let's say we want to come late in the afternoon to make sure that you have a peaceful end, that your building is standing strong, and you can feel the steel in our projects, what has been assigned by the so-called designers, and it takes the shape as per the architect who actually put their efforts. I want to give a small brief of 60 seconds on Nikitha, then I'll take you the fast-track project of Samsung Electronics, which we made at Chennai. So here, I'm joined with my technical director, Mr. Tirunavukarsu, and I have another director called Ashok R. Kulkarni. Today he is not present here. These two gentlemen took 3 decades to establish Nikitha Buildtech Private Limited. Close to 2,000 plus buildings have been built. So we have hundreds of customers, repeat customers, happiest customers, whose buildings are standing tall and strong. So that's exactly the job of Nikitha Buildtech Private Limited. We have a small plant with a capacity of 24,000 tons near Bangalore. At the moment, we are also planning for the expansion of another project close to Bangalore for another 25,000 tons with the aid of our stakeholders who has encouraged in the last 3 decades. This is exactly Nikitha all about. What exactly the point I'm going to make here is the amount of time and efforts been put in by architects and designers. You need to put up the building on the ground, make them feel. That's where the construction companies come into the picture. We have an in-house design people with the Tekla modeling, etc. And we have our own people who does manufacture. And we have complete components are manufactured, including roof sheeting, which we definitely lay at the end of it. What are the industries we are working with? We are working with airports. We have done Terminal 2, 3,000 tons recently. We've also done Kia Motors. We've also done textile industry buildings, warehousing buildings, food industry buildings, which means we have in our kitty versatility of different kind of verticals our buildings are standing strong over there. Today, I am talking about one fast-track project which I want to showcase here, which is none other than Samsung Electronics at Chennai under Samsung Engineering Private Limited, PMC. This building has been built in 180 days. Close to 5,300 metric tons, 60% of built-up sections, which has been bought over. The 40% is fabricated structures, hot rolled as well as cold. But essence of the project is we worked with the global standard companies with a zero accident. 100% safety has been maintained. And from design, production to erection, this has been handed over in 180 days at the fast track. What is the next thing is, we have Samsung Engineering, who is a global engineering agency whose guidance has helped us actually put forth this building. That's exactly allows us in future, we are open to work with the global PMCs, be it a Knight Frank, CBRE, which one we feel you call any number of them, because we are capable and our team is also expertise who can actually get onto the field, make the things happen and let the owner feel the steel that there is a strength in the building. That's exactly. So I have some details which I want to read about. The speciality of this building is its 5 lakh square feet area. and close to 5,300 metric ton steel structure, close to 2.5 lakh numbers of fasteners, and 50,000 square meter fireproof painting. Apart from that, 250 people were working at any given point of time at the site. So, which means you need to manage utmost safety because the various areas where the people are being deployed. So it is essential that the project managers have been well understood, the designs, also planned well. At the end of the day, we have a white man standing next to us. We did not worry who is standing next to us because we want to make sure the building is standing pretty strong and perfect. And what is next is we have had more than 40 equipments, cranes and boom lift. See, just now a gentleman is saying we don't have enough space to bring in, but this is also not a place where you have enough space. But however, we could able to move as many as equipment, as many as people with complete systems and zero accident site, and we have been awarded by Samsung for that effort. And we thump ourselves for that. With this small introduction, I would actually show you that it's not an animated version, it's a reality version of the video, which is close to 4.5 minutes or so, which gives the glimpse of from the award of the contract to the closure and some little gallery of Nikitha Buildtech Private Limited. Sir, please. Sir, 7 minutes. I took only 2.5 minutes. Thank you, sir. It's actually all the subsidies are downside. That's the reason why, yeah. At the end of it, we want to present one of the iconic projects, which is a glass house where it is completely the tubular sections, other than the Samsung project. That's exactly what we want to showcase at this point of time, so that we can make the buildings what you wish to do on the paper, make them stand on your site. Thank you very much.